talking about unconscionable.
Jody Wilson-Raybould says she was pressured to interfere in the SNC-Lavalin case, but denies reports that she was seeking assurances that amounted to the very same thing.
I have to say unequivocally that I would never interfere with the independence of the Attorney General.
So you did not seek an assurance that your replacement, David Lametti, would not overrule the Director of Public Prosecutions and direct her to give SNC-Lavalin a deferred prosecution agreement?
I would absolutely never do that.
But even after her unequivocal denial, multiple Liberal sources maintain Wilson-Raybould raised this condition during weeks of secret talks seeking a compromise.
We've seen too many
sources say she raised it directly with the Prime Minister in Vancouver in the days before she quit Cabinet. It was discussed after she quit Cabinet, but it was not part of the conversations in the final days leading up to her caucus expulsion.
That's why I made the difficult decision to remove Ms. Wilson-Raybould and Dr. Philpott from the Liberal caucus.
During the discussions that preceded that moment, multiple sources say Wilson-Raybould had other conditions. They say she wanted Trudeau to fire his principal secretary, Gerald Butts, the clerk of the Privy Council, Michael Wernick, and PMO senior advisor, Mathieu Bouchard, something she will neither confirm nor deny.
Did you ask that Gerald Butts, Michael Wernick, and Mathieu Bouchard be fired?
There was a number of conversations that was had, but those conversations came after January the 14th, after I was shuffled out as the Attorney General, and those conversations are still covered by confidence, and I respect the confidences that I had.
David, another development in the story tonight, SNC-Lavalin has filed another court action.
Yeah, that's right, Ian. The company has gone to the Federal Court of Appeal to try to force prosecutors to negotiate a deferred prosecution agreement with it. And what we've learned from new court filings are the three specific reasons why they've been denied one so far. The first is the nature and gravity of the offenses. You have to remember these charges involve millions of dollars in fraud and bribery involving the former Gaddafi regime in Libya. The second is the involvement of senior officers in the organization. And the third is the fact that SNC-Lavalin did not self-report this alleged criminal behavior. Now, up to this point, prosecutors have not explicitly told us what their reasons were. Well, tonight, the company has filled in some of those blanks for us.
All right, David, thank you.
You're welcome.